Today's our Crypto Blades Play to Earn gameplay video number 87. So check natin yung first combat natin, Lightning Combat Simulator. Okay, so ang gagawin natin sa first warrior, Lightning element, papalitan natin yung weapon ng water, and then lalabanan natin yung third opponent. Okay. Okay, nanalo tayo. Okay, second warrior tayo, combat, water element sword. Check natin yung combat simulator. Okay, sa second warrior, ang gagawin ko, magpapalit din tayo ng weapon. Instead na water, lightning element sword yung gagamitin natin. And then lalabanan natin yung fourth opponent. Okay, nanalo ulit tayo sa second combat. Third combat, water element warrior ulit. Meron tayong fire opponent dito. So, check natin kung sure ba na kaya niyang talunin. Okay, second opponent nga. Okay, fight na. Disclaimer statement for crowdsourcing Shopee. All the information on this website is published in good faith and for general information purpose only. Any action that you take upon the information you find on this website, crowdsourcing Shopee, is strictly at your own risk. Okay, so balikan na natin yung combat natin kanina. Okay, so nanalo din yung third warrior natin. Fourth warrior na tayo, combat. Lightning element sword. So lightning sword pa rin ang gagamitin. Pero ang dapat nating labanan, yung pangatlo na lang siguro yung lalabanan ko. Mas malaki yung reward and yung XP. Okay, nanalo din tayo sa huling combat natin. So based sa ating earnings, umangat yung skill rewards natin by 2.8864 skill. So yung daily earning natin for today is 0.0405. Okay, kapag pumunta tayo dito sa CoinGecko website, ang current value ng skill ay bumaba palalo, down siya by 5.6% based sa recording ng video na to. So 1 Crypto Blades skill is equal to 269.48 pesos. So ang kinita natin, ang laki ng impact niya dahil lang sa bumaba yung value ng skill. Yung normaling nakukuha natin na 12 pesos up to 15 pesos bumababa. So yung earning natin today is 10.91 pesos kahit nanalo tayo sa lahat ng combat natin. And then yung accumulated earnings naman natin ay 2.8864. So equal yan sa 777.82 pesos. Now yung susunod na Crypto Blades gameplay natin anytime tomorrow, February 26, 2022, 1:14 a.m. onwards. Okay, so more fruitful gains to everyone. God bless sa inyong lahat. Good health and I'll see you again on our next vlog. Bye for now.